Hey everybody, Adam from Apple Chevrolet here. One of the questions I get all the time here at the dealership is, can I trade in my vehicle if I still owe money on it? And the short answer is absolutely. If you get your trade evaluated and you owe less than it's worth, that's called positive equity. And we're going to be able to roll that positive equity into your next vehicle, and it's going to work like money down. Now, if you owe more than the vehicle is worth, that is called negative equity. And I'm going to be able to take that negative equity and put it towards your next loan based on your current situation. So the bank is going to evaluate and see which vehicle is going to work best to absorb that negative equity. We're going to be able to carry over some negative equity onto your next loan. So when you come into the dealership here, I'm going to look at the whole situation for you and see what's going to work best for you financially. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to me at the dealership, Adam at Apple Chevrolet. Be happy to answer any and all questions that come up in your vehicle search. If you got a topic you'd like me to address in the future, drop it in the comments. Happy to answer that as well.